Hey everyone, welcome to the 6th episode in my binder mail tutorial series. Today's embellishment we're going to be creating are cute little frames. I'm just going to be using my Hello Bluebird frame die, and I'm going to be decorating up the frames using little bits of ephemera from the Snowflake Paper Collection by Crate Paper and my tiny attacher. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and embellish up these frames, add them to my page. And I just wanted to say that I hope you guys are enjoying all the videos I've been putting out lately. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys kind of enjoy the process of me creating these. I'm going to go ahead and play some Christmas music, and then I'll be back on to let you know how I arrange everything on my page for my binder mail. Okay, so what I didn't realize is that I was only going to be able to fit 4 of these frames onto my page. I don't know what happened this time, because when I did create my Halloween binder mail, I was able to fit, I believe, 6. So I was only able to fit 4 this time. So what I went ahead and did is just chose the 4 frames that I liked the best, and I'm actually adding a little label to the frame on the left. It says Hello Winter, and I'm going to be adhering those to the page with the foam squares like I have been. This is the Snowflake Collection by Crate Paper, and I'll have it linked in the description box to where you can pick up this whole collection, and I'm absolutely loving working with it. So I just love all the little bits of ephemera. I think they're so cute on these frames. So once I add all my frames onto the page, this page is done. I did not create a label for every single embellishment that I created for the book, but I actually like it that way. So yeah, this is all of my frames, kind of adjusting them, make sure that they all fit nice and neat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.